Hello, my name is Josh Carpenter. I'm with Project 28, Proximity Sensing in a Post-COVID World, and I'm going to be talking to you about the process that we will be utilizing throughout the duration of the project. We selected the Agile Scrum methodology as our software delivery process framework, and we selected this for two reasons. One, it's going to provide us with the ability to deliver a minimally viable product to the customer in the shortest amount of time possible up front. It's also going to provide us with the ability to be nimble. For example, when requirements change, we're going to be able to adapt to those changes, consume those changes, and deliver those changes to the customer in a very short amount of time. Some of the traditional Agile roles we have to tweak a little bit due to the academic environment and group size we have, such as the Scrum Master and QA within the team. That will rotate amongst the team members on a sprint-to-sprint basis. I will be the administrator for Taiga, Google Drive, as well as GitHub. Taiga being our project management tool, which will maintain our sprint board, our user stories, backlog, and provide burn down data. GitHub will be our remote repository that we will utilize for technical documentation as well as our actual coding framework, C files, Python files, etc. And then we'll be using Google Drive for our non-technical documentation as well as our artifacts and deliverables for the class. We'll also be using Atmel Studio 7 and Atmel Start. The first is an IDE, the second is a web application tool, both provided by Microchip Technology, that are designed for use with their hardware for interacting and coding with the hardware as well as extracting data out. Kelly Petrone is our sponsor liaison. He will be the one communicating with our sponsor primarily so that we have a single line of communication, a single thread going between us and our sponsor so that there's not chaos and not confusion and too many emails flying around. We've also chosen to meet with our sponsor every other Monday at 6:30 p.m. Arizona